Hello, everyone. Welcome to Introduction Part 1. We will talk about how to write a good hook. What is a hook? A hook is the first sentence or two that grabs the reader's attention. It makes them want to keep reading your essay. A hook can be a question, a surprising fact, or an interesting idea. Let's break down each type of hook. I will give you sentence starters for each type of hook. So let's start with a hook that is a question. What would the world look like if? What are the benefits of? What problems might happen if? Should people be allowed to? Why do some people think that? How would people feel if? How would life get better if? So those are your sentence starters. Let's look at some examples for how to finish those sentence starters. We have the example topic, dogs should be allowed in apartments. So our first question, what would the world look like if all apartments allowed dogs? What problems might happen if there were no rules on dogs in apartments? Why do some people think that dogs make good pets for apartments? However, when you ask a question, you have to answer the question because this will transition into your background information. So that's still part of your hook. Let's see how you can answer these questions. For the first question, you can say, pet owners would be happy, but some might worry about noise and mess. For our next question, you could say, if there were no rules, dogs would be too loud, cause allergies, or misbehave. For the last question, you could say, it's because they are nice to have and can live in small spaces. So again, remember, if you ask a question, you have to answer your own question. Now we have hooks that are surprising facts. I will give you some sentence starters for those as well. We have, here's a surprise. Here's something surprising. Research shows that. Experts say that. More than blank percent of, or less than blank percent of. Let's see two examples. Our first example. Here's something surprising. Dogs can hear 4 times better than humans. They hear sounds humans can't. Our second example. Research shows that dogs can smell emotions like fear, happiness, and sadness. Last, we have hooks that give an interesting idea. So here are some sentence starters. Imagine, think about, picture, people always dream about. Think about how happy dog owners would be if every apartment allowed pets. Now, similar to your question hooks, you have to explain a little bit more. So for interesting idea hooks, you need to explain how will people react or how will people feel. So, we said they will feel better every day having their dog with them. Last we have, picture an apartment full of barking dogs. Same thing, you need to explain how will people react or how will people feel. So, neighbors would not relax well. In our next video, we will talk about how to do background information. Thank you for watching.